Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my...
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel Aliza Creations. I post videos related to makeup, hauls, reviews, fun challenges and tutorials. If you like this type of stuff, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, then thank you so much guys. So friends, this is going to be a styling video. In this video, I'll be showing you in how many ways you can drape a dupatta. So guys, I'll be showing you 20 ways to drape dupatta in different manners. And guys, here I have taken the same ethnic skirt in which I have shown how to style a lehenga or ethnic skirt in different ways. I have taken the same skirt and I have taken a top along with it, but you can do the same if you want. You can try it with some jeans or top, or you can try it with some suit, or you can try it with some plain skirt or sari or some suits or something else, or something western dress also even. So friends, before starting this video, there is just a single request from me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and like my video and share it with your friends. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. So friends, in the first look, I am taking the dupatta and I am taking a corner of the dupatta and securing it at my top with the pin. After this, I'll be taking the dupatta and I'll be making the pleats just like in the sari. And after these pleats are made, I'll be putting them and securing them with a pin so that they don't fall out. And after these pleats are done, it is looking actually very beautiful. I'm securing the other part at the back of my lehenga or skirt, and I'm putting it inward so that it gives you a clean look. So guys, you can see how beautiful it is looking. It can become your lehenga sari. So it doesn't matter that you are using old clothes. You are recreating something which is completely different and completely new. So this is my first way of putting my dupatta. So friends, in look 2, we are going to take dupatta again and we will be folding it in 2 halves. After that, along with the middle part, we will be taking the corners of the front. So we will be securing the front corners along with the middle part with the help of a pin. Look like a shrug, and you can wear it like a open shrug. तो फ्रेंड्स, आप इसको किसी भी ड्रेस पे वेयर कर सकते हो. आप इसको जीन्स टॉप के साथ वेयर कर सकते हैं, आप इसे सूट के साथ वेयर कर सकते हैं, पटियाला शलवार और शॉर्ट कुर्ती के साथ भी बहुत स्मार्ट लगेगा गाइस. तो आप इसको किसी भी ड्रेस के साथ वेयर कर सकते हैं. मैंने इसे यहाँ पर वेयर किया है एक स्कर्ट के साथ, एथनिक स्कर्ट के साथ. Okay friends, for look 3 we will attach the lower corner of our shrug and we will attach it in cross manner and we will secure it with pins, so it will look like a different kind of top. With it you don't need to wear any dupatta or something, and it will also look like a different shrug. सो ये आपकी ड्रेस को बहुत ही खूबसूरत लुक देगा. मैंने यहाँ पर इसे एथनिक स्कर्ट के साथ वेयर किया है. आप इसको टॉप के साथ भी वेयर कर सकते हैं, जीन्स के ऊपर वेयर कर सकते हैं, आप इसको शॉर्ट कुर्ती के साथ वेयर कर सकते हैं, जीन्स के साथ वेयर कर सकते हैं, एंड इसको आप सूट के ऊपर भी श्रग स्टाइल में वेयर कर सकते हैं गाइस. Guys, for look 4 we are going to use a belt. Here I would suggest you that you should use a embellished belt which has some embellishment on it or some embroidery work on it, so it will look much nice with this attire. It will give your skirt and this shrug a very modern and contemporary look. You can again wear it with some jeans, top, kurta or something else, or some western dress too, and it will look a very nice shrug with some embellished belt.
2 times through color glass. Time.
Friends, in the look 5 we are going to give a very nice, trendy and modern look to this shrug. So we will be loosely tying this shrug with the help of a belt. Again I am using a very light belt because I am not currently having any embellished belt, but here again I would suggest you that if you will use a very nice heavy embroidery belt, or then this attire will gain some new heights and it will look beautiful. So I would suggest that you should use a wider belt to give this attire a beautiful look. Guys, so in the next look I'm taking the corner of the dupatta and I'm going to make pleats of it. After making the pleats, I'll be taking it to the back of my lehenga and I have secured it with the help of the pin, and in the front I'll be taking it loosely on the top of my blouse or top. So this will give my attire a completely different look. It is looking like the kind of attire which Deepika Padukone has taken in Chennai Express. So this also looks very beautiful. Guys, in the 7th look I'll be doing the same as I have done before. I'll be making the pleats in the front corner of the dupatta, and I'll be making, after making this pleats, I'll arrange it in the front side and I'll be loosely tying this dupatta and I'll be securing it with the help of the pin. So this is also looking a very neat and clean method of draping the dupatta, and you can use it with the help of some belt or something. You can give it another look with the help of a belt to give it a different dimension and to give it a more defined look, more contemporary look. I'm tying it with the help of a tiny belt. It is looking more cleaner now. You can pair it with some accessories, some good nice choker.
Okay guys, so give this dress a nice twist. I'm taking a Banarsi dupatta and I'll be draping 2 dupattas at the same time, and I'm taking it just like a shawl here. And you can see that the contrast of the colors have given this dress a beautiful, nice and royal look. Guys, another way to drape these 2 dupattas together, I'm going to make a pleat. I'll be making white pleats of this Banarsi dupatta, and I'll be securing it with the help of a pin or some belt. Here I'm not using any belt, but you can also use some belt to secure this. So guys, this is another look. This is look 10, and how beautiful it is looking. Orange, pink, red, all these colors are giving a vibrant touch to this dress. So you can use this dress for some wedding purpose. Okay friends, now I am going to give a very small twist to this same look. I am draping the same dupatta with the white pleats on the front, and I am tying the rest of the part just like I have done for the other dupatta. So this is again looking very pretty guys, you can see. For the next look, again I am going to give a small twist to the same dupatta. I'm going to tie the front portion also just like we do in the sari. So this will give our dress a sari look also, along with lehenga or skirt. How beautiful it is looking. You can again use an embellished belt to tie around your waist. It will look more cleaner, more sophisticated. So guys, this is again a beautiful look. So guys, to give this dress another sophisticated look, I'm going to take this dupatta on my hand after making the pleats, and this will give my dress a very royal look. Again, you can use some accessories in the hand, in the ear, a choker, nice choker on the neck. So guys, this will give your dress another look. It will look very sophisticated and royal at the same time.
Every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile.
So guys, in another look, I'm going to do some experiment with this dupatta draping. So I'm wearing a koti above the dupatta to give it a completely different look. Let's see how it appears. So I'm wearing the dupatta and a koti above the dupatta, and I'm securing it like this, and you can see how beautifully it turned out. It is giving my dupatta and my koti a completely different look. So guys, another look for this dupatta. Another look is very simple yet very stylish. So I'm again dividing the dupatta into two parts, and I'm wearing it just like we wear it on the suit. So I'm just wearing it like this on the top, and it is looking beautiful, simple yet elegant way to drape a dupatta. Now again I am going to give this a little bit of twist with the help of this belt. So I'm securing it and I'm tying it with the help of a belt. Again, I would suggest you should use a embellished belt here, so it will give your dress a nice look. You can wear it along with the suit, along with the skirt, along with the lehenga, and it will give your dress a very nice look. Simple yet a stylish manner to drape the dupatta. Now I'm again taking the same dupatta and I'm taking the corners of this dupatta and I'm tying it like this. So again it is going to give my dupatta a look of shirt or jacket or some shrug. So this is going to give my dupatta a very nice touch. So guys, in the next look, I'll be loosening taking my dupatta to the back, and after that I'll be dropping the dupatta from my shoulders till it comes down. So in this way I'll be giving my dupatta a completely different look. So guys, you can see I have dropped the dupatta and it has just become like a shrug or koti, and sleeves are also being made with the help of this dupatta only. So this is another look. So guys, in the other look, I'm taking the corners of the dupatta and I'm tying it to the front of my top, and I'm going to secure it with the help of a pin. So you can see again it is looking a very beautiful top or very beautiful shrug. You can secure it with the pin. So guys, this is the last look. Again I am taking the Banarsi dupatta and I'm going to take it just like the shawl and I'm going to tie it in the front corner. So this is the last look guys. If you really liked watching this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll be mentioning the Instagram ID below. So guys, मिलती हूँ मैं आपसे अपने next किसी styling video में. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and enjoy winters.
Just